Welcome to you, my name's Dale and this is Dale's Addiction. Today I come to you as a 41-year-old. Lucky me. I'm not going to complain about getting older because it is indeed a privilege. So thanks to everybody who on Instagram, thanks to Connor for telling everyone on Instagram that it was my birthday. I got so many beautiful messages, both on his post, but also people took the time to send me a DM, which was so lovely. I really was quite chuffed because it was a really quiet day. And I think Mondays generally are pretty bummer kind of days to have a birthday. But I didn't make any plans this year because I had such a huge Festivus last year that I was like, no, back to reality. Well, kind of, because reality doesn't normally involve luxury purchases, right? I just wanted to share with you what I got for my birthday, luxury and non-luxury, a bit of a chatty story time, but primarily focused on Louis Vuitton. So, yep, I'm super casual because it's really hot and humid here. I've got the air conditioners on at about 22 degrees Celsius. I'm not sure what that is where you live, but I'm assuming that that's probably a summer's day temperature for some people. And for us, that's just nice and cool, taking the edge off a little bit. I've been spending the morning tidying up around here because I'm about to rejig my wardrobe for filming my Vlogmas special. So I will be changing my orientation in here, which is a bit exciting too. But anyway, I'm doing that thing that really annoying YouTubers do where I carry on with a whole heap of stuff that you're not interested in before I show you what I got. So what I'll do is, for those of you who want to see the luxury pieces, I will show those first. And for those of you who'd like to stick around and see everything else, I will show you those later on. Okay, so the first thing that I want to share with you is the item that I talked about when I picked up my recent trunk clutch purchase, which I have just been loving, by the way. I can't believe it took me so long to get that bag. So far, first impressions are fabulous. I will do a first impressions review probably toward the end of Vlogmas because then I would have used it for quite a few parties, I hope. And I'll be able to give you a bit of an insight into how it is to use. But when I picked that up, I talked about ordering a new fragrance. That fragrance arrived, and when Connor contacted me to go shopping with him at Gucci, I picked up my fragrance. And the fragrance I got was Stellar Times, which is the new set of fragrances by Louis Vuitton. It's an X-Straight. It kind of got slammed by Super Jacob if you watch his perfume channel. But each to their own. I think that this really works in our climate because we are subtropical, and so you get the heat that really activates this way more so, I suppose, than what you might if you're in a cooler climate. Anyway, I'm not a fragrance expert and I don't proclaim to be. I just know what I like, and I liked this a lot. So it has this kind of, what do you call it, like a lipstick head on the box, whereas the normal Louis Vuitton fragrances just go straight across. And then, hopefully I can open this up without it falling out or something like that. Something terrible. Oh, God. Okay. And here we go. So this is the beautiful perfume bottle. Whoop. And actually, I will get my Rose Devon so you can see the difference between the two. So this is the Frank Gehry designed bottle, and you can see, if I put my hand behind it, you can see this fabulous bottle top, and it's magnetic as well, and inside it has a Louis Vuitton embossed, and I don't know what it's made of. I assume it's steel. And the bottle itself kind of, I'm not sure if you can see, but it kind of tapers out toward the edges, whereas my Rose Devon's is a cylinder. So they're about the same colour in terms of their fragrance, like a rose kind of colour as well. I was just besotted with this. My essay, who showed it to me, said it's something you have to experience. I can't really explain it to you, and I think that was right. and it's just started pouring with rain, so if you can hear that, that's what it is. The Louis Vuitton website says that it's an amber odyssey through time and space, a subliminal journey through time to rediscover the splendour of legendary temples, gardens stippled with mosaics, marvellous fountains, shimmering scents inspired
powerful visions surging forth on the emanations of transfigured amber accord.
golden what? Whatever. So it talks about delicious vanilla notes of Peru balsam, adding a finishing touch to this fragrance mirage. A beautiful escape on the magic carpet of dreams. The result is a major oriental composition, completely reinvented in zero gravity. Apparently this is Jacques' favourite fragrance. Is that how we say? Yes. It's Jacques' favourite fragrance from Louis Vuitton, who's the chief perfumer. Anyway, the guy who makes the perfume. So apparently this one is his favourite as well, which I didn't know any of this when I picked it. I just smelt them all and wow, I loved this. It talks also on the website about Frank Gehry's inspiration for the bottle, and it actually talks about he starts with Mark Newson's original bottle, stretching the lines into curves. So that's those kind of pinched edges that you can see there. From his sculptural flourish emerges a transparent veil that appears to float in the air. The bottle is topped with a precious hand-polished metal cap, like the splash of an airy, imaginary flower. You can have the bottle engraved. My local boutique doesn't have the particular engraving attachment for these bottles as yet, but when they do, I can take it in and they'll engrave it because it's free and it's extra, and why not? That's what luxury is all about. And I'm going to put some on. It is extra. It really is extra. And it smells. There's nothing, to me anyway. I mean, as I said, I don't know a lot about perfume, but I've not come across anything similar to this. It's kind of a unisex smell. It's kind of a sexy, oody, woody, floral scent. It's really unique. I really like it. So this is a gift from me to me for my birthday. So the next piece from Louis Vuitton came in this box, and is the Fleur flower trunk, fully loaded with everything from beautiful pink hydrangeas and roses and peonies and orchids. What an absolute delight. It's really hot here, so I have to keep the air conditioning on just so I can keep these flowers alive, because otherwise they will wilt. It's really, really heavy. I will insert some pictures of the trunk from the Louis Vuitton website. But basically, this is the trunk that was ordered back in July when I returned my original one because it had some tarnish and scratches on it from the showroom floor, and this one has a date code of July this year, so it is a 2021 trunk. It was always originally going to be for my birthday, and I got it fair square on my birthday, delivered from Louis Vuitton's florist, full of flowers. I just had to break and pop it up there because it's too heavy. It was delivered full of beautiful flowers, along with a bottle of champagne and a lovely handwritten note. I can't speak highly enough of the service from Louis Vuitton, given that the trunk's a bit of an investment. You know, it's not an investment compared to the top tier clients whatsoever, but it is something that is, you know, it's decor primarily, so a lot of us can justify bags because we'll use them, but what will we use the trunk for? Once these flowers die, I'll give you a really good close-up look at this, and I'll show you all the things that you can use it for. I really love the detail of this trunk, as you can see in the photos, because it has those wood panels and it has little handles, and its origins were that it was designed as a gift for Louis Vuitton's VIP clients and sent with flowers and sometimes even soil inside of it. So it is a reimagined piece of history, and a piece that both my husband and I agreed was the pick of the bunch out of these small trunks. So I am on the list for artwork to be put on my trunk, and I'm frantically researching a whole bunch of different artists that work for Louis Vuitton on Instagram for inspiration. I've got some ideas. It will be on the more subtle side, but it needs to be something that's a bit timeless, because if you watched my first Fleurs unboxing or reveal video, you will know that I intend to be cremated and have my ashes placed in the trunk after I pass, so I can forever lie in luxury. Now, obviously, I did pick up my trunk clutch. I'm going to have to say this would have to qualify as a birthday purchase. So I can wear a trunk and I can also look at a trunk. And I will be doing my updated Louis Vuitton collection video throughout Vlogmas at some stage, because this year I've picked up quite a few great pieces from Louis Vuitton that have made my collection look really quite different to what it did from my first Louis Vuitton collection video, which, if I can be brave enough, I might share up here for you. The trunk comes with a whole bunch of bits and pieces. Obviously it comes with a box, it comes with dust bags and a key, but I can't show you any of that in detail because it's full of flowers. I just wanted to show you why it looked beautiful, and then when the flowers die, as I said, I'll come back and give you a bit more of a detailed look at it. One more thing in terms of luxury and my birthday was when I went shopping with Connor. We popped into Fendi, as I always do, because I love visiting the Fendi crew. They're so much fun. And my essay at Fendi had a really sad face. She said, "It's your birthday on Monday. You didn't tell me you were coming in. I wanted to make you a cake or buy you a cake or give you a cake." And I'm like, cake? I should have said next time I call. Anyway, she whipped out the back and she came back and presented me with this lovely little holiday pack of stickers and a happy birthday from the Fendi store. And you can see here there's some gorgeous little stickers of a Fendi shopping bag, a Fendi Christmas tree, another Fendi shopping bag in the yellow. So I put these on my suitcases. So luxury stickers and suitcases, it just seems to be something that works really well. And then a box with a limited Fendi Your 7 Ways to Rome, a Rome tour guide. So this book, I have flicked through it. It's got so much in it. It talks about where to eat, where to shop, more stickers. More stickers there. If you're a sticker person, I'm not, but I think I might use these ones because they have Vespers and cats and wine and gelato and cocktails and all sorts of fun things. So I thought that was a really, really nice little gift. And you know, I don't need any more convincing to go back to Rome because I love Rome. I have been absolutely spoilt with lots and lots of flowers. So I'll insert some pictures here of all of the flowers that I received from friends and family. Just divine, and I love this time of year because there's some beautiful flowers around, and I tend to always make sure that I'm home around this time of year so I get to really enjoy those flowers and squeeze every last bit of life out of them that I possibly can. Now, this was a cute little gift for a luxury lover from a great friend of mine. It's a set of keys, and it's wine and coffee, handbags and shoes, and you can get the keys cut for your home. So I am going to try and get them cut and see if they work, because how original are they? Have your very own customized kitschy keys. I just thought they were the sweetest thing, and she thought of me, and yeah, I love them. They're really quirky and fun. And then finally, this random package turned up in my mailbox, and I opened it and thought, did I order this and forget about it? It turns out that it was from my sister, but she bought it from a beauty supplies store, and so they're not really ones to gift wrap or write cards or anything. And it is a professional makeup artist's brush set. This is insane. I haven't counted how many brushes there are, but there are a lot. They were all individually packaged, and they came in this little belt bag, so you can wear it as a belt. And each brush has a label on it for what you're supposed to do with it, which is what I need. So I'm going to be starting watching some YouTube tutorials on how to use all of these brushes so that I can paint my face in a more professional way. There's no way that they're going to fit in my current makeup brush storage device. So yeah, I'm going to have a bit of a think about how I incorporate these into my bathroom. But such a cool gift. And if you have any makeup fans in your friends or family, consider the beauty supply stores, and you can actually get the professionals brushes and brush kits. So that's all that I wanted to share with you today, just a quick birthday reveal. As I said, it was a lovely, quiet day. We went out for a beautiful dinner on the water overlooking Brisbane City in the evening and Monday nights. There's not a lot of options, but we were definitely really happy with where we went, and I'll insert a picture here if you haven't seen it already. Picture controversial because it was impossible for my husband to figure out how to take a photo at night time with no lighting, so you won't be able to see much, but you can definitely see the city. So thank you very much again for all of your wishes. Stay tuned because my next video is going to be the start of Vlogmas. So I'm going to be madly getting ready and trying to organise content. My goal is that I will upload every single day until Christmas. So wish me luck. I hope to see you. I'll be mixing in Christmas content with luxury content and lots of vlogs, which I'm really bad at, but I'm going to be really good at it after this. I've got some exciting collaborations coming up during Christmas Vlogmas time. I've got some parties to take you to, so please, if you haven't, subscribe and you'll be notified when my videos go up, which will be pretty much every day from next week. So I'll see you for the holiday season. Bye.